Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson, police officers, and some community violence intervention groups gathered today to talk about cutting down on crime. Right now, the focus is on what went right last year to keep crime numbers down and what they need to do moving forward. Our Sharday Gray joins us in our newsroom. Sharday, they say the collaboration between police and the community was really key here.
Marie, Mayor Brandon Johnson says today wasn't about taking a victory lap. His team, the 5th District Police Department and community violence intervention groups say communication, collaboration, and coordination are the 3 keys to success in reducing crime.
Because we are far from done.
Mayor Brandon Johnson, sitting at the head of today's roundtable discussion at the Calumet 5th District Police Station, says his administration isn't there to take credit for the decrease in crime last year, but to figure out what they need to do so they can see numbers continue to drop.
As long as we have that communication, it allows us to detect the problem, try to come up with a common goal or a solution, and that's the main part.
He says it's been made possible by leadership like he's seen in the 5th District Police Station and their partnership with community violence intervention groups like Activis Inc. The organization, a community health group focused on violence prevention, was founded in 2010.
This is probably by far the first time that we've had a police administration that, in my opinion, have seen the community as an asset and not as an adversary, and they've worked to build relationships.
After multiple attacks on the CTA this past weekend, Mayor Brandon Johnson saying the CTA is near the top of his list of challenges in Chicago that his administration is working to do better. We wanted to know, what's the next step?
How are you moving forward to make sure people feel safe?
Reducing violence is not limited to reducing shootings and homicides. Again, these folks around this table, we're trying to transform communities, right? And so if violence is less in a community, but people don't have meaningful jobs or access to health care, that association with violence is still material.
One of the officers says from their perspective, they had to understand to see people as people first and vice versa when it comes to the community viewing officers. They say having that open conversation with community violence intervention groups helps them understand how to address their communities they serve. Reporting in the newsroom, Sharday Gray, CBS News, Chicago. Marie.
Sharday, thank you.